Good morning and welcome to a really quick pre-recorded live with Lady Rowe. I am doing this because I did obtain the court documents from Alabama, the Anthony Lofties versus Melanie Rogers case. I went to Alucard, put my little credit card number in, and got the paperwork. So I want to read it with you guys really fast. It's a very small video. Very small court order. It's like one paragraph with I think a couple of extra sentences, but it's not even a full page document. So it won't take us long to go through this. First, I want to remind everyone that everything that is expressed today in my live is alleged. It is my opinion. It's all for entertainment purposes. We don't want to dislike anybody based on anything that we find. We're not gloating in anybody winning or losing. We're just going to talk about what we saw in the court documents. All right. Let's get started. Let me pull up the actual document so you guys can read along with me. How about that? All right. I don't know if I can make myself any smaller or this any bigger, but let's go. In the District Court of Madison County, Alabama, Lofties Anthony plaintiff versus Rogers Melanie Shari Holt defendant. It gives the case number. Final order. This matter came before the court on October the 20th, 2025 for final hearing. The plaintiff was present, pro se. The defendant was present and represented by Kentisha Matthews, Esquire, which I guess was Melanie's attorney. Based upon careful consideration of the sworn testimony and other evidence presented, the court finds in favor of the defendant, which is Melanie Shari, on the claims of the plaintiff. All other claims not addressed herein are denied, each party to bear their own cost. Done this 20th day of October 2025, which would have been Monday morning. So as we see, Melody was victorious because the court did find in her favor, which pretty much means that they ruled, they just denied Anthony's claim of damages, punitive damages, or whatever he was seeking. That's pretty much all that means. It was just denied. But that also means that they ruled in favor of the plaintiff because someone was victorious and someone was not. It's unfortunate, and it is fortunate for someone. But at the end of the day, it is what it is. That's why we have the judicial system. It is there for us to utilize it for when we feel like we've been wrong and when we feel like we're right. And so the courts have done their job. They've sent it back out and said that everybody needs to pay their own court costs. Pretty much, it sounds like to me they're like, well, you wasted our time. Luckily, they went through small claims court, and most of the time, small claims court is not really expensive. It's a couple of $100, and you're done with. That's it. That's it. I don't have a lot of views or expression because it's unfortunate that it even ended up in court. It's unfortunate that someone felt like they've been violated. It's unfortunate that someone felt free enough to violate them. And it's the courts ruled the best way they saw fit. I did see where there were some subpoenas done from Melanie's attorney to the alleged job that Anthony was working at the time that he alleged that he had been terminated from. Anthony presented a termination letter. They subpoenaed the actual job. So I'm not sure what the document is because I don't have any transcripts of the court evidence. But we do have the final order. Anywho, let's get our day started. Y'all have a wonderful day. If no one told you yet today that they love you, I love you. And there ain't a thing you can do about it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.